So let's do Hero. I do like Hero. Let's do MEXC. Let's go to the daily time frame. I don't know what the market cap is on this one, but would I enter the trade right now? Depends. Are we doing a trade? Are we doing an investment? There's so many questions that need to be answered in such a little time. So let's go over here and let's type in Hero. This is MetaHero. Market cap right now is 11 million. What does this tell me? This tells me that if I were to put $5,000 into this coin right now, I would pump the coin big time. So let's say I want to put 5 grand in this coin. I'm going to put $100, see if I move the coin. If I don't really move it, then I put another $100 later on today, maybe 100 tomorrow. Keep on doing that until I get my 5,000 in. Or if I were to put maybe 200 in and it moves, well, then I'm not going to, the next entry would be like 50 bucks. If we go to the all-time, oh, ouch. So he was here, then of course we had the nice pump. It hasn't done anything, nothing, dead. That's scary because we've already had 2 pumps this year. And why haven't they pumped? That's my question. Why haven't they pumped? What's going on with their team? It's very, very strange to me, very strange. I'm looking for vesting, even though there shouldn't be any vesting, token unlocks. Let's see here, volume. Okay, so they do have only 78% circulating supply. Why? What is the other percentage for? Is it for rewards? I believe it is. Is it on KuCoin? So it's not even on KuCoin. So that's another red flag. It's not on KuCoin. They've been around for many years. They're on BingX. Okay. Gate.io. Okay. CoinW. Okay. I'm guessing MEXC. So that's another red flag. Why aren't on these bigger exchanges? Let's go to the website. Can you make money off of this one? Yes, sure. Why not? Is it higher risk? Yes, definitely. Why? Well, because it hasn't done anything. You want people to be excited about it. And this year, 2 times already, there's been pumps. And there's been no pumps here. So let's go to their website. Let's see what we got. Heroes, keep it real. Be yourself in the... Okay, there it is. Get out of here. So this is horrible. This cursor thing is horrible. I can see you're okay. So it goes from AI to the real person, but you can't read it. Like if you're trying to read it with your mouse, you can't read the words. Anyway, get scanned. I love this. I truly do. Like you scan your body, then it's you. It's actually you in the real world. So that's pretty cool. Okay, metaverse, blah, blah. I don't like this following crap. Most of the time I do, but it already annoying me. A metaverse isn't the future, it's the present. Find your nearest location now and get scanned. I like it. It's scary, but I like it. I really do. Dubai to be voted. New York. So where can you get scanned? Book a scan in Warsaw and Zurich. Okay, London to be voted. So they've been around for a long time. You can only get scanned in 2 places. They need to change this. Like I'm really big on websites. Like you have white letters against a light background. So this looks better. Okay. Gaming, extra whatever, blah blah. Okay. I like the animation. I like this. I think that's pretty cool. Into the metaverse. It's a long website. Good Lord, I've been in here for like 4 hours already. Okay, nice interaction. Now, what I want to do is I want to go to their Twitter. Okay, so they've been around for 3 years on Twitter. They have 207,000 followers, which is really good. When was their last post? Their last post was June 21st. Ooh, kind of a long time ago. Not even a post that says, hey guys, how's it going? Then June 7th. So they're pretty cool. They're building a thing. Then June 3rd. See, June 21st, 354 likes. Okay, not bad. 12,000 people that saw it though. I was hoping for at least 1,000. At least 1% that liked it. This one, so fit. Okay, it's very odd that almost the same amount of people liked it. Same thing. You see that, guys? 354, 383, 340. Okay, finally something under 3. Because all these can be bought. 12,000 again. Literally every time you post, you get 12,000 views. So with all the information that I have now, will I hold this long term? No. Initially, when I first saw it in 2021, did I think it was gonna just be the absolute best? Yes, 100%. I thought this was gonna absolutely kill it. And my thought process has completely changed because, well, we have more data. So if I were to use or get this one, it would only be for a short-term hold, not for an investment. I mean, I like the project, don't get me wrong. I love the project. I love having your own avatar in a game. That's freaking amazing. Nobody's talking about it. There's no hype about it. Could you put a little bit of money in this and just hold it as an investment and see what happens when gaming takes off? Yeah, definitely. Shoot, man, this could even be your $1 million coin, but there's no engagement. There's no nothing. Unless they get a new team or decide to get to work, they're gonna be out marketed by these younger projects, by projects that haven't had partnerships yet that will pump their coin versus something that's already owed. Great project though, already owed and trying to catch up to the young people. So that's my thought process. If you have money, stop messing around, do the VIP. If you don't have money, don't worry about it. I'll show you how to do this stuff for free on the videos that we have here. So if you want just to support the channel, just say, hey Joe, you're the best, and you will become my favorite. It's $19 a month if you want to do that. And then of course, if you want to do the monthly with a credit card, it's right here. It's $99 a month. And of course you get all this stuff. And then of course, if you want to do lifetime, here's a lifetime. Here's a lifetime. Now, if you want to pay with a crypto, then just send me a message on Telegram. 11 million. I mean, I like it. And lately we've been having more engagement than before. Look at the candle bodies. Candle bodies are nothing. Then we started getting some nice candle body sizes. Now this could be just a bot that is paid, or rather that is programmed to trade on the exchanges. That way the coin does not leave the exchange. With that being said, candle bodies look okay. Let's go and let's find us some levels. Let us look at some levels. So we have a range low, range high, and a mid range. So I'm always scanning with my eyeballs. I'm scanning to the left and to the right. So we actually have a zone right here. All right, so would I buy right now? No. Why? I'm under resistance. I would wait. Now for this one, I mean, shoot, man, it can go down 20-30% like crazy, just because there's no volume. There's nobody interested in it. Take out the magnet tool. Let's go to the price range tool. From here to here, 30%. Nice. Okay. Now we're talking. All right. So for me personally, what I would do is I would actually put a lower bid, and a bid, all that is a lower entry that has not hit. I would put a lower bid right here because I do like this coin. Just in case it does come down, maybe one of these dumb little wicks comes down, comes right back up. Well, automatically you're in 20% profit if it comes back to here. Could be in here for quite a while, but when it breaks above this level, we want to set our alerts above this. So our alerts are orange, and we set our alert. The candle body closes, 4-hour candle body closes above. So once the candle body closes above that level, 4-hour time frame, then you can enter the trade, or rather add to your entry. But right now, we wait and see what happens, because I'd hate for you to enter right now and then come down and you're down 20%. Now, as far as a stop loss, you would have to on this one. You really would, just because of the market cap. So I would definitely put a stop loss. And that's just because, well, you don't want to get into this coin and then have to wait, 3-4 months before you break even. So that's what I would do. So hopefully you like that. This is, for me, this would just be a trade. My first target, let's say we did enter down here. Hopefully we do 75%. That'd be your first target. Your second target, we can do right here. I would not hold this one. For me personally, unless they did something, unless they changed something, got a new marketing, something, because nobody's talking about it. Nobody. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.